Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Bandicam for free. First, go open your browser and I'm gonna put it in the description. But www.bandicam.com, that website, and click this. Click it and click this one. But no, I'm not gonna download this. No. File, downloads, yes. Open this one. Click yes. Oh shit, no Filipino language. Click next. Agree. Click next. I'm not gonna install because I have it. That's what I mean. That's what I want. And this one. This is the one. And I'm gonna show you how to put a sound. It's very easy. Go to advanced video recording settings, make this check and this don't check this, and make your microphone internal mic and introduce this one. Make sure you check this, and after that click this, click OK, and record what do you want to record. Okay, say subscribe to me and don't forget like. Goodbye.